Hardwood versus vinyl flooring. Which is the right choice for your home? Dear friends, choosing the right flooring can completely transform your home. In this video, we'll compare hardwood versus vinyl flooring to help you decide which one fits your style, budget, and lifestyle. From appearance and durability to maintenance and cost, we'll cover everything you need to know before making the final choice for your home interiors. Material and composition. Hardwood floor. Made from natural solid wood, like oak, maple, or walnut. Each plank is cut from real timber. Vinyl floor. Made from synthetic materials, mainly PVC. Available as vinyl planks, sheets, or tiles that mimic wood or stone. Appearance and aesthetics. Hardwood offers a rich, natural, and warm appearance. Each plank is unique in grain and color. Ages beautifully over time. Vinyl. Modern vinyl floors can closely imitate wood, but under close inspection, they lack the authentic depth and feel of real wood. Durability and resistance. Hardwood. Strong but susceptible to scratches, dents, and moisture damage. Not ideal for bathrooms or basements. Vinyl. Highly durable and water-resistant. Scratch and stain-resistant versions are ideal for high-traffic or moisture-prone areas. Cost. Hardwood. Expensive to install and maintain. Adds long-term property value, though. Vinyl. Affordable and cost-effective. Installation and repair costs are lower. Comfort and feel. Hardwood. Feels warmer and more natural underfoot. Can last for decades if well maintained. Vinyl. Softer and slightly springy underfoot, but doesn't have the same luxurious feel as wood. Lifespan. Hardwood. 40 to 100 years, can be sanded and refinished multiple times. Vinyl. 10 to 25 years, cannot be refinished once worn out. Installation. Hardwood. More complex and time-consuming, often needs professional installation. Vinyl. Easy DIY installation, click lock planks or peel and stick tiles. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.